Sapri, look at this.
Wow.
Sapri, look at this. Yes. The Zafran Chair Sdn Bhd Facebook page is having a promotion on academic chair with a discount for purchase of more than 10 units.
Oh wow, this is interesting.
Yeah.
We definitely need a new chair for the staff. Let's message them.
Okay.
Oh, we have the new notification. Okay, this is from customer.
Hi, Zafran Chair Sdn Bhd. We saw your post on Facebook about the office chair set. We are from IT focused company and are interested in purchasing ergonomic office chair. Could you share the option and price with us? Okay, I understand what the customer want.
Hi Cik Daniel, thank you for contact us. We have 3 main options for ergonomic chair. ErgoFlat RM320, ErgoSmart RM480, ErgoSmart RM1630. All come with lumbar support and headrest. For the purchase of more than 10 units, we offer a 10% discount and free shipping. Would you like to come to our showroom to try this chair?
Of course, we welcome your visit. Can we come tomorrow at 10 AM?
You're welcome, Cik Daniel. I will inform Mr. Zafran to assist you at the showroom.
Hi, Cik Daniel and Safi. Cik Safi, okay. Please come in. At my side. Okay. Is that you guys check to our Facebook page?
Yes.
Okay. Please have a look at the chair we offer. And then my staff Firdaus will assist you today. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zafran. We are here to try the model for suitable our staff. Thank you.
Like.
Now, you look beautiful. Yes.
Oh. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Okay, what can I help you?
Sir, this chair looks comfortable. Which one is this?
Okay, the name of the chair is ErgoFlat. It has adjustable lumbar support and has a comfortable headrest for long hour sitting.
Okay, but we need something more premium, more better premium. Do you have something more suitable?
Okay, wait a minute. I will call my boss.
Okay.
Okay, boss. Can you show another chair to them for more premium than this chair?
Okay, if you like for something more feature, I would recommend the ErgoSmart. It has a removable mesh back design, more adjustable feature, and is more suitable for long-term use.
Do you have other color other than that? I mean, like the brightness one or?
Yes, I have another color. We have dark blue and grey color. The off or suitable, the off or this color are available right now.
Okay, we are interested in ErgoSmart in the grey color. What the price for 15 unit of this one?
Okay, for the normal price, it is 488.
Okay.
Okay, so for 50 unit, okay, the price is 7,200 ringgit. Okay, after 10% discount, the price is 6,280 ringgit and free shipping.
Can we get the code via email?
Okay, sure. We will send via email, official email after the visit. And Mr. Safri, can you give your phone number and your email for process information?
I will send you my email and number phone after this visit.
Okay, Firdaus. I just want to remind everyone about the etiquette for communicating in social media, especially when responding to customer inquiries.
Okay, of course, Mr. Zafran, I will make sure to respond professionally and avoid using emoji and informal language.
Okay, good. Remember, we need to maintain, okay, the company's image. If a customer comment negative on social media, how do we respond?
Sorry, what? I will apologize for the first issue, and then I will resolve the matter with a constructive manner.
Alright, let's see. Okay, always maintain professionalism in our language. Okay, and always provide helpful response. This will affect the company image, okay, in the eyes of our customer. Alright.
Okay, understood, Mr. Zafran. I will make sure to stay always professional.
Okay, thank you, Donna.
Hi, Encik Firdaus. We made our decision and would like to confirm the purchase for 50 units in color grey.
Thank you, Encik Engineer. I will prepare your invoice and arrange delivery with as soon as possible. And the payment we can make with via bank or credit card.
Can we know when the delivery will arrive?
Okay, the delivery will arrive in 3 working days after the receipt payment.
Okay, we really appreciate your decision and hope the chair will provide comfort to all your staff. If you need anything, we are here to help.
Thank you, Mr. Zafran. We are very happy with the service we received today.
We will definitely will come to in future for another purchase.
Okay, we also look forward to working with you together in the future. Thank you for choosing Zafran Chair Sejahtera Berhad.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.